Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to our soil carbon knowledge graph database and explore the data. First of all, open your browser and go to idr.uta.edu:7474. This is the permanent address. Alternatively, you may go to another more meaningful address, dr.uta.edu/sockg-neo4j. This address is not that stable right now because of some content policies required by the university. We are currently working on that and hopefully we'll get it fixed soon. Anyway, you can try both of the addresses, but if the second one doesn't work, please switch to the first one. Once you arrive at the login page, you're required to enter some information in order to connect to the database. Let's do it one by one. For the connect URL, choose bold+s and enter idr.uta.edu:7687 and enter the username as neo4j and password as idr soil carbon and click connect. Here we are. The sidebar shows different types of entities and the relations. If you click them, it will show some examples of that type of node. By clicking one of the result nodes, it will display the detailed information about this node, such as various properties. You can style this type of node by clicking the label and choose whatever color, size, and caption. And you can discover the neighbor nodes by clicking the expansion button. And also hide a node by clicking the hide button. And of course, you can explore the database by executing some Cipher queries. For example, I want to find out triples satisfying a person works for an organization. So I can execute this query. And you will show up the triples match that pattern. And also, if I want to find out all the weather observations with a relative humidity percentage less than 30, I can execute this query. You can use the Cipher query to retrieve a lot of things. If you're not familiar with it, you can learn from the official Cipher menu website. And that is the basic usage of our sockg knowledge graph database. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to provide help. Thank you for watching this video.